Hello and welcome to salsaclassesonline.com. Joel and Maria, we are going to teach you today an advanced combination. It's going to be partner work. So we're going to start first by connecting on the third position, okay, on the third position with the right hand on the top. And we are going to lead an outside turn over the right shoulder of the leader, okay? So we're going to start from here. Kung kung,
Basic
2, 3, lead
kung
her
kung,
forward, 6,
7
7, and
and
1.
forward.
2, 3,
Kung
open break
kung.
and bring her. Now from here, after this open break, we are going, notice how I already prepared my angle, so I'm out of the track. And then I start preparing the resistance, right, to bring her inside of this way. Watch, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung kung. Okay? So you place the hand on 2, you on her shoulder, then you place the hand behind your neck on 3. So you let her go, and she automatically, when you move the body, she will slide the hand. So you have the time to catch it on the kung kung sound, and then you're gonna do a right turn. But let's try it again from the beginning, so we can connect. Okay, 5, 6, 7, kung kung, and third position, 6, 7, kung kung, open break, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1. Something that I want to mention, I stop right here because if you notice, I have a little bit of resistance right here on my left to make sure that she doesn't go all the way back and continue with the regular basics. She's gonna be too far from me, right? So the idea of this open break right here, 5, 6, 7, and 1, I can stop her right here so she can kind of stay steps on the same spot.
2,
2,
3,
3, kung
and 5,
kung, 6, 7, and 1. We are going to do a turn, okay? Actually, I did it very, very slow. That will be the regular way that you have time to do the turn. But right now, what we need as a leaders, we need to create dynamic to get there faster, right? So instead, I will do kung kung, 6, 7, and you see I'm already gonna start leading her because I'm gonna ask for a double turn for her, right? It's not really too much time to prepare, but she will feel the energy. So she feels that it's a double turn just because I lead it a little bit before the 1, so she understands the double turn right there, okay? Let me do it one more time. And then Maria is going to explain more like what happened, how does she prepare the double turn, especially because it comes from just the energy but no preparation, right? So again, from here, and kung kung, 2, 3, outside turn, third position, kung kung, 2, 3, open break, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and right here is where I create the momentum right here. But let's let Maria explain what happened here with her legs because it's something that you ladies you need in order to prepare the energy to go for the turn, right? So let me do it from the 6, 7 here and kung kung 6, 7.
Yeah, so we have to make sure this is in any case, right, whether we're doing double turn or not, that we're always making sure we weight transfer, right, from the 6 to the 7. And in this case, because I am connected, right, not only connected from the fingers here with nothing connected to the back, but I am connected to the back as well. And I start to feel Joelle giving me a little more resistance on the 7. So I really start to prepare my body, meaning just like make sure I'm staying grounded, making sure my weight is a little forward. And once I get that lead, I kind of twist into it just to give myself a little bit of a preparation. We don't really need big preparations to turn all of the time. Actually, most of the time we don't need it. So I just kind of twist the upper body and then I send. And then he actually gives me another turn, yeah? So it's really more of the connection that I feel it's going to happen. But I really hit the 6, 7, right? Because my 6 is back here and he's going to try to give me a double turn. It's not going to work. I didn't change or transfer the weight. It has to be 6, transfer 7, and then unwind 1. That's my first turn. 2, that's my second turn. Yeah?
Okay, so let's try one more time. Actually, let's do it one more time, but let's change the angle right here so you can see what happened. So one more time, we're gonna start with the third position, outside turn over my right shoulder, and kung kung, 2, 3, and 6, 7,
and
forward.
forward.
2, 3, open, break, 6, 7, and 1. 2, 3, kung kung. 6, 7, and 1. 2, 3, kung kung. 6 and 7. Okay? Let's do it one more time on this angle. And also, you've been practicing the hook steps. I'm talking for you leaders, right? We actually have time to do an extra turn for us. So after this turn here, bam, bam, we'll do the turn. 1, 2, okay, the second turn, 2, 3, kung kung, 6 and 7, okay? So you have time, you lead her on the right beat. Let's try it again. Now this time I'm gonna add the hook step so you can see this position here. And kung kung, 2, 3, outside turn, 6, 7, in. 2, 3, open break, 6, 7, and 1. 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1. 2, 3.
Also,
Okay.
this arm is up, right? This arm is up so that we don't get it caught in the hammerlock position. So we want to go over his arm.
So now here, 2,
5.
3. I didn't go here for the turn, right? So I wait till make sure that she almost finished the turn. I release so I can catch kung kung, and I can do the open break here. 6, 7, and 1. Okay, notice how I went forward with my left on 1 to create this resistance for a copa feeling, right? So let's try it one more time from the very, very top. There are a lot of pieces that we put in together from different things, copas, wraps, and things that we are going to use today. We use putting it together, all of them, okay? So
from the previous classes. Yeah, previous levels, I should say.
Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7,
Kung
third
kung.
position,
2,
go.
3,
Outside turn, 6, 7, and 1.
Turn
2, 3, open break, 6, 7, and 1. 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1. 2, 3, kung kung, open break, and 1. So from here, just to show you, okay, we're gonna do 2, 3, kung kung,
cross
6, 7, and 1. This is a regular wrap, what we just did. And now we're gonna catch the hand, right? We're gonna catch the hand with my left, and I'm gonna create momentum to send her this way. So that kind of send, you see, it's like a pendle right here that you just send the energy, and then this one is gonna continue with her turn. That, if you're doing it fast enough, is gonna give you enough time to make sure that she understands that she doesn't have to go cross on the regular crossbar lead like we usually do. Usually what happens is that we do the wrap, bam, bam, and we wait right here, and then we send the ladies forward, right? So, but in this case, I want to anticipate a little bit. 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, in. 2, 3, kung kung, 6 and 7. So it's even before the 7 to make sure that she understands that I want her to do a turn on the same spot. Okay, so let me try it again. 5, 6, 7, slow. 2, 3, kung kung. 6, 7, kung kung. Actually, it's on the kung kung sound when I touch her hand. Kung
8
kung.
and 1.
Bam,
2,
bam,
3,
kung kung, 6 and 7. Let's do it again from the top. So 5, 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, in, 6 outside, kung kung, 2, 3, in, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, double, hook step, kung kung, 6, 7, in, go in, kung kung, 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, basic, 6 and 7. I'm gonna explain that part. Let's do it one more time. Let's change the angle. Now that we have this part right here, we wanna do this angle right here, so you can see how many times we move out of the track, right? So now you can see Maria is on her track, you will see how many times we change from track to track on this kind of turn. So let's do it from the very top. The first one, of course, is the outside turn. Okay, so we're gonna start from here. Ready? And kung kung, 2, 3. I move out of the track. First time. Kung kung, 2, 3. Kung kung, 6, 7. Notice I move again. Bam, bam, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. I move it again. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Kung kung, 6, 7, and 1. 2, 3, kung kung, move again, kung kung, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung kung, 6 and 7. Okay, let us explain to you the last part. So I hope that you see how many times I change from track to track. Every time that I change, I do kind of this move, right? She's right here. I move out of her way. So I'm doing this, kung kung. Now she has all the space free to do it. Of course, if I'm gonna do a crossbar lead, I will do the opposite way. But if I'm gonna move her to my right, I usually change my track on this angle, okay, or this position. So now let's try it again. Let's try the whole thing and let's explain the very last part so we can cover it. We didn't explain that yet. Start from the very top. 5, 6, 7. Ready? Go outside in. 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung kung, double turn, kung kung, 2, 3, open break, kung kung, 2, 3, and 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, and 6, 7, kung kung. Okay, notice how she started going forward on 2, kung kung, 2, 3. And you're gonna go and you're gonna move in front of her.
Crossbody lead and back
Kung
5,
kung,
back
6,
6, back 7.
She's already going back. Actually, let me do this angle right here. So she's going back, right? So what I'm doing with this arm is kind of create some like a trampoline, I guess.
This is a rock step.
Way
1, 2,
and
3, 5,
6 and 7. Yeah, so you create the momentum to kind of go around her. I mean, around with her. So she's coming here and send her forward to do the regular basic. Okay, so if we're doing it from here and kung kung, 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, kung kung,
back
go
6, back
around
7,
and 1,
quick,
2,
slow,
3,
kung
kung kung,
kung,
6 and 7. Okay, let me do it again on this position actually. So we're gonna do the 6, 7. Let me see, and kung kung, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7. Last time, now the opposite position, and kung kung, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung kung, 6 and 7. Of course, with the music and with the momentum, it is totally different, right? Maria doing some kind of styling a little bit, and also allow her to don't get stuck with this arm. For example, whenever I do this, kung kung, 6, 7. Notice she's already feeling, or she sees me already there, and she's getting the hand ready, but also she's preparing this arm to make sure that it doesn't get stuck, right? Because if she leaves it down and I grab this hand, boom, she gets trapped right there with the arm. So you can see right here, it's already
the arm over.
Yes.
And also to open up the arm or to do the arm styling, I'm always adding this little bit of a twist so I can, again, it's not, so we can have more space in between each other and I can get a little more length in my arms, right? Because if I try to just do it here, right, it's kind of awkward and you just get that kind of not like swoop, right, that you're looking for, right? It just kind of happens from here and then it shortens. It tends to shorten and the shoulder goes up. So you want to open up, right? Open up, it's twist, and then I swing and then I come into my step. Yes?
Yeah. And
so
also
I do
comes
that
with
in
a step too, right?
Yeah.
It feels
I do
like
that on a few. Sometimes I start on the 6 and sometimes I will start on the 1, right? Depending on the move. And I'll go over it so you can see where I'm starting on the 6 and where I'm starting on the 1.
Let's do this one for now for the 6 so you can see this last part one more time. Kung kung. 2,
The last
3. Kung kung.
6,
6,
7. This one I start on the 1.
Kung
And
kung.
1,
2,
2, 3. I
3.
keep it close.
Kung
And
kung.
5. Back
6, 7, and
1.
1. Notice what happened here. And
can
1. I cannot bring my hand, my body, I'm sorry, my body opposite than her, so create this swing.
1, 2, 3.
Kung
5,
kung, 6 and
7.
7. Okay? Let's try now the whole thing. So you can see when Maria is doing the arm, so she can just call it right there so you can catch it. And remember that you can watch and rewind this video as many times as you need in order to catch one of the details that we explained, okay? So let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, kung kung. Third
2,
position
3,
over
and
my shoulder.
outside turn,
kung kung.
1,
2, 3, kung kung. 6, 7, and 1. 2, 3, kung kung. 6,
a little
7,
twist,
and
and
1.
2,
2, 3, kung kung.
This is
6.
So here I do it on 6. So I still open, and it actually hits when I go back. 6, 7, and 1. You can add the arm out here on 1, 2, 3. I bring it in,
kung kung.
and I scoop down.
6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Prepare.
6,
and
7,
kung
and
kung.
1,
2, 3, kung
and
kung.
5,
6, 7, and 1, 2, 3,
kung
6,
kung.
6 and 7. Yes, let's try one more time this angle a little bit faster, okay? So then we can try with music on more like a regular feeling of the music. 5, 6, 7, kung kung, go, and 5, 6, 7, kung kung, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung kung,
My bad.
6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung
Come
kung,
in, scoop down.
6, 7, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, kung kung, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, basic, 6, 7. Cool.